Okay, here we are. Well, hello, everybody. Today is the 13th of May, and this is Dallas Personal Robotics Group, Roborama 2023. So go ahead, Harold, if you could. So my name is Carl, interim president ad nauseum, it seems. But anyhow, we're going to have the contest today of 3 different events. We have 6-can, and we have quick trip, and we have 4 corners. And we have a handful of entrants for each contest, and we're going to have a good time going through. If you raise questions on the Slack, we may or may not be able to see and respond, but we'll try our best. So meanwhile, I think we have now, how many participants? This is Doug?
6.
We have 6 participants for Quick Trip.
Right.
And briefly, Doug, the point of Quick Trip is, start at one point.
There's a 2.5-inch end box, followed by a center box of 12 feet by 4, and then finally another 2.5 end box. There's, if your robot starts off in one end and it has to make it to the other end without going out of bounds. If it stops in the end box, it gets a point. If it stops in the center of the inbox, which is marked out by 2 lines, it's the center 6-inch portion, you get another point. You rotate around and you go back, and you have to stop again in the next inbox. The total number of points you can get is 7, and therefore reaching the opposing inbox, stopping in the opposing inbox, having the center of the robot within the 6-inch marked area of the end zone, return to the starting zone, stop in the starting zone, have the center of the robot within the 6-inch marked center, and staying within the boundary. So a perfect score is 7, and I'm going to start off with Mike. Where did Mike go? He stepped out. Oh, Mike, will you please start off? Okay. On the
So this is 6-pack. It's a 3D printed robot with mechanism wheels. Stopwatch.
Yeah. Mike, I need to follow with the jack. Okay. Don't start yet. Okay.
It takes a while to power up.
Let me start moving.
Is thinking about it, man.
Okay, Mike, if you could stand your left a little bit. If you could stand your left a little bit. Let's see here.
Ready to go.
Okay. This robot has a mechanism wheel. It's 3D printed. Six points.
Go, Mike, go.
Hey.
Okay. Next is Carl with Emerson.
Hover sim.
Emerson.
Hover sim it is.
Don't get it. You need to figure it out.
And there we go. We turn the pivot loop.
Wait a minute.
And we're ready.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I'm going to start it off just saying, oh,
This is a mechanical wheel robot also.
yes. The can wheel, just tell me when to go.
Go when you want to.
And Mark is set, go. And nothing happened. It's kind of fun. So it really helps if you hit the right mode. Okay, that's the right mode. On the mark, get set, go. Slow and steady. You can go have a coffee now if you want. Take a break.
Carl?
Yeah.
The ring on top is showing blue and red. What do they mean?
The blue means the forward direction of the robot in the current mode. The red is the rear of the robot in current mode. And the white is compass north because it uses absolute compass heading, which tends to drift on me. And the reason why the blue and red are lights is because this robot has some pretty funky modes. And those modes change the orientation of the moment. And it's about to stop. There we go.
5 points.
5. Oh, it's a 6th.
5. You missed it up there.
With the wheels in? Oh. Okay, well, we get another run, don't we?
You get 2 runs.
Jeez, Rick, Oh, man.
You didn't pay him enough, man.
He had me talking, so I couldn't watch the judge.
The Russian judge is giving you a dig.
We got a
man.
ways
That's all
to
it is.
Okay, Mike?
The deal is, you gotta go.
Hey, Mike, you want to say a little bit about your robot?
There's actually nothing in the rules.
Hey, what?
Anything you want to say about your robot?
I'm glad it's running. All right,
So
on your mark, set, go.
Mox is gonna turn out. Mox is gonna go.
Well, actually,
He's gonna turn around and say, before you go. So you're getting a tail grinder, like it is, it's really difficult.
and so many things
That, single wheel going forward. Or going backwards. Yeah, whatever.
Yes. Just can't. 6 or 7. You know. Well, that's one thing. Frame.
6 points.
6 points, 787.
Hold on.
Points, whatever.
Yeah, 7 points.
Yeah.
7 points.
There you go, he appealed.
Turning it up to 11.
I almost had to call the lawyer.
7 points.
Oh, man.
But were you want to write down the points?
Carl?
Were you want to write down the points?
It'd be ideal.
Sorry.
Okay, 6, 5, 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want a clipboard to write on?
So I mean,
So what happens is if,
probably should have.
in fact, I know,
Dave, you want to say?
I know it's all you have to do is stop me. Like it's.
You started again.
Yeah, stop me.
Well, I don't
Yeah. No, you said it, you got 3, 4, and you got.
Yeah, you want to say?
Well, we have some.
So when you get.
Okay.
Oh, it was a false start? Oh,
There was a synchronization problem.
synchronization problem?
Judge each.
Yeah. This is, I can't, the sound, it's just too complicated. Okay, David, you want to say anything about your robot?
The name is Whip, work in progress.
You need a laser on
The laser will make that go faster.
Anyway, there was.
It's like the wings. And the really, really big exhausts on those rise things. That'll make your car go way faster.
Okay, I'll do it.
Come on, you can do it. Hit them up, hit them up. Oh.
Say that again. Yeah.
Right distance.
They're Canadian sold. And they were probably less desirable.
something
Come
with
on,
the
come on, come on,
program.
come on, come on.
Going down a curve and coming back, it goes straight, so.
Whip, I love it,
Okay,
That's awesome.
0 points.
but a good traversal.
Yes.
I guess, yeah, I think. The first one will be the least got. Yeah, so, all right. Yeah. All right, who's next? How many we got there? 4, there should be one more. We got David.
Well, I have not gone.
Oh, Harold.
Howard,
Mm-hmm. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Set up. So if you're wondering when the timing starts, when this thing turns blue
Wait a minute.
or purple,
oh, he's starting near the start of the line. He's gonna get every inch possible out of the gate.
trying to make sure I got going on here. And I got a time of 2. So, yes, cuz, the robots are figuring out where they are and how they go, all by themselves. My cousin asked me, hey, how's it do this? So, this is Jimbot. One of my Twitch subscribers asked for us. Now, I'm going to hit when I push this button, it's going to do a couple of things, but it's actually not going to do anything till the lights turn on purple.
He's wasting no time.
Oh, no! Oh, park down, park down!
Googly eyes are working well.
Oh,
7 points.
Oh,
How about
man,
that?
7 points.
with the fastest time.
Yeah, I don't know, Ray, Scott was pretty fast.
It was fast.
I
mean, yours was fast. Harold, was that a,
Actually, you didn't get the points for that end.
What now?
If you calculate the diameter of your robot, the sensor is going over here.
What?
Because that part, the piece you left.
Oh, Lord.
that was the cookie trail, so he could find his way home.
He's got a point.
Well, now.
There's not a leave no part behind.
There's not a leave no part behind rule.
Yeah.
Okay, that's gonna be a new rule that'll get put in place.
It was on the corner.
Aw. Spent too much time coaching kids. Doug's running the course backwards.
Well, this thing is closer.
So,
This is a modified version of one of the Cobra designs from 2006.
so because my cuz asked the question, how is this different than RC for you folks that don't know? These robots are not controlled by any human. They're doing it all on their own. They're figuring out where they are, where they need to go, and where they need to go back to. That's how all of these work here today, is that there's no human control of them. A human programmed them, but there's no control of the human at any time after they hit the go button.
Ready?
Yep. I lost the part. It literally just rotates itself out. Yeah.
Oh, oh, would you look at that?
That's dead on there. What?
Actually, Harold, this is
Yeah, I just got
Get
lucky.
over there. Yeah.
7 points.
So if I look though, see, I've already broken it into here, and this is just shedding unneeded stuff. It knew,
All right.
it knew.
Extra parts.
At this point, you have, everybody has an option to run again. So,
I think I'm gonna take what I got.
Go ahead,
Come on over here. I don't think I can do anything. All I can do is go south.
Who's, are you gonna run again?
I got 7 points.
Oh, then you know, and the fastest can be. Am I the only one?
Pressed in.
Okay, so wait a minute, here we go.
Who's-
First up is Mike.
Sentimental favorite.
Mike W.
Yeah. Okay.
I was messing with you.
Looking forward to get it lined up.
It's right straight up, I got all four of the same motors, so that was very close. And, I got a little bit of luck.
And it takes a while. Like that's a coat the whole thing. Then I get the Bluetooth to start
For
it.
S's and G's, using block, like, you know, club.
Oh, yeah.
In fact, what happened, the competition I went to, like.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I just doing that stuff. So, when I was here last year, and we had a team.
Oh.
And I had two robots at the time. One of them was a 6-wheel rover that could probably do 4 robots. And I didn't compete because I didn't think I could. So this 10-year-old come to compete. So it's all up, and I'm like, I can't let that happen again. I can't let that happen again. I got shamed.
It's shameful.
Yeah.
All right.
And he's using around me.
Oh.
almost like collision there.
That was interference almost.
I gotta watch that video.
Spot on to go.
It was very, very close.
Instant replay, rotate.
Okay,
Okay, what they do is the center of your robot is what counts.
Yeah.
The wheel, center in between. Center in between. And the blue lines are in, right?
Yeah.
That's what we talked about. Blue lines are inbound.
There's the outer end and the inner end.
Yeah. So as long as you're within the outer edges of that blue line,
Yeah, it should.
you're considering, just like you're playing tennis.
Oh, I guess.
7 points.
7 points. Thank goodness.
That was close.
Yeah.
That was close. Okay, who else?
I'll go next, I guess. Okay.
I ordered.
Just gotta wake up first. Wake up, please. Okay.
Yeah. But you're right, though, if I was doing anything that what I'm doing.
Right there.
And
All right.
Mine, it's.
there's enough black stuff.
I think it had it over.
Yeah.
Finger to the left, so highest to the 10.
Charles run 2.
Get pretty close.
Charles run 2. Are we ready to go?
As well as I get there. Okay, who's got the timer?
Mark, get set, go.
30 degrees is hot.
I can't get it. There's no way to get
I haven't done the hovercraft mode in this contest.
I mean, it's here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's in like Flint.
You gotta be careful, because it's gonna reverse on you.
That's in.
Yeah, you get big enough.
You can see from the edge, it's more, center was in.
Well, here's the.
Not that the speed matters.
Yeah, I saw him. He does all that. Well, he's going back.
Although, no, I'm not gonna hit this. Oh.
Oh, 6 points.
Dude! You're gonna have to do the third one.
Okay, all right now, let's get a quick look at the times.
These two wheels are spinning.
This is 7. Oh, 6.
That's 0.
Oh, yeah.
That's how uneven all this is, because, you know, we don't go high in those.
C.
And.
No.
Oh,
we're just going
Oh, wait a minute. Mike got one. Did Mike get one in 21 seconds? 7, so it'd be Harold, Mike.
There is some restrictions.
There's-
For instance, you see-
We're running, guys.
They-
They're tallying too soon.
Okay.
One of those.
I think you're
counting you now already?
No, I'm just saying.
We're getting written off here. We're just
But I did want to make sure.
castaways.
Want to make sure Mike C knows.
Wait for Brian.
We're voted off the island already.
Mike, you're third right now. So you don't have to run.
It missed it on
But
this
if
end
you
by
wanna
it.
run,
By the way, Carl,
if you wanna
Because
run to try to.
it's doing that while she's watching this.
Yeah, like W,
Nice.
Yeah,
that's-
Andy's racing.
You got two more runs. is what I
That's what he
think.
does. He loves cars. He's got cars. He owns his first car. And he's the first car. You know, he's retired now. He owns his first car.
All right, so, okay,
Caitlin did
we're
it.
gonna have David go next. Go ahead, David. All right, this is David's second run.
You can like against the walls. Anything you want to on that robot.
The go button.
False start.
I hate the go button. Oh, the other switch.
That thing wants to go.
Chomping at the bit.
Yeah, pretty much any sensor, anything that you want on the robot, that it can process itself. It can't ask for processing power from something else. And you can't have like.
Wind it up. I'll just mention that if there's anybody online that's interested in getting into robotics, this one here costs $35. So it's not like you have to have a lot of money
Oh, yeah.
to start.
Yeah, like Carl's got a Raspberry Pi on his. He's got probably for myself, I've got, this is a Circuit Playground Express, which is every good, I know that one. It's the same, right?
Yeah, but it's got a lot of the things that you need.
Yeah, it's got all the things on it. Right, yeah. Still, I knew on that too, I had to figure out how to use that. But, and so I've got that.
That's the straightest yet.
It's funny, I don't think I actually have that one. I think I've got that.
Yeah. It's great. You carry it around in your pocket. It's got all the fun things. This is a Cricket that Adafruit sells along with this. These screws. Actually,
You gotta jump up and down over there.
This is kind of a breakout for that.
It's a little guy.
David, you're on the board.
It's for
robotics.
Are we good for 3 runs?
It's got
All right.
NeoPixel output in it. It's got.
He's gonna do again? Okay.
Come here, I gotta admit, I get knocked off. I'm gonna say, I don't have, Scott's run, I can't remember it, but it was fast.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's probably faster than Harold.
time was in.
So you're fourth.
What was my time
I believe
again?
you're fourth. You're fourth.
Okay, I'm gonna speed it up. What's my time again?
You're second.
Okay,
Yeah.
because Scott was fast.
Scott was fast.
I think he, when he was just
Wait,
trying,
wait.
You know,
Go ahead.
I think in his first try,
Yeah.
Scott did it one way, 7 seconds.
I wanna say that.
Pretty fast.
Uh-oh.
And I didn't track a whole run on
Not
that.
good.
You got my problem.
That's gotta be close.
That wasn't there, though, I can tell.
You're being great. It helps them line it up at the start.
Oh, that's what.
Foresight.
Okay.
let's
Let's take a look at it.
25 for it, so it's about 7 seconds. It's still 4.
I don't think it's in there. I think I'm gonna go low with.
Ray, we're gonna share something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Low one's 7,
Scott beat you too.
Oh.
but it's
Yeah.
slower.
It's slower, so that's what I'm saying. You're- Unfortunately,
Oh,
you're fourth place.
Well.
Scott's not here.
That one was, six.
And let him run his course.
I'm determined to let Lady Luck go.
Okay, it's Carl's third, this is Carl's third run.
And he usually does outside stuff.
This is my third one.
These are very good. They got a very similar class. Horses up here, the outside, run around the outside.
Are we ready?
Move back here.
Mark, set, go. Are you going for 7?
I mean, we've got 3 tries, I might as well try.
Right.
And,
Oh, the ground is shifted.
Earth keeps the Earth ain't spinning around. Oh, 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 it's in like Flint. All right. But
But specifically for Dallas. Get the fan over there.
Yeah.
Or they discuss how to pass.
oh,
right.
to the dumpster history goes. Yours is?
Yeah.
All right.
Go, 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 Carl.
I hit the slowest 7.
All right. Okay. So right now preliminaries are Scott, Harold, and Mike W.
You gonna push back in place for us?
Flat surfaces. So you can't.
Bit more. There you go.
Okay. All right. That's the preliminary. All right.
That's the enemy of like.
That's what all these.
That was my second
one.
Carl, you ready?
For what? Oh, yeah, what is the next one? Which one?
Foursquare.
Four squares. Okay, do we have the names yet? Do we have the names?
Can we, let's see, get the. We're about to do that here. Okay.
We're going to do first square, so we're going to need.
Thanks for all the info.
I be prepared to lift your legs because you never know these things. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you don't know what's gonna happen. I mean,
Or if you just slide back to over that area, it'd be good.
Or you can move into the center.
Or the center. Oh, boy.
So what you're telling me,
Okay, let's.
so you're telling me we gotta remove the saw blades from all our robots now since people are in the center, is that what I heard?
Harold, are you in there?
No. Jim
I
Bond
am.
is not capable of doing such things.
Mike, you in there?
Yes.
See the four cones? The idea is you can go counterclockwise or clockwise and choose your direction. No, put the robot down, you tell it to go. It has to go around all four outside the cones, it can't go inside the cones. But sometimes it'll, like, you know, it's got
All right.
to go outside the cones. And then the
And
closest one
this competition is called
wins.
Four Corner?
Four corner. Four square.
Four square, okay.
Make up your name.
Four cones.
Square.
There's 4 cones. In this case, they're set at a total distance of 125 inches, or just essentially 10 feet plus the cone. And there's 4 of them. You have to, where you start, place on your robot is marked. And then when you go all the way around, wherever place that you've decided is your mark place will get marked again. And then the finish position will be, the distance between the finish and the start will be your score, basically. The one with the smallest distance between the start and the finish wins. And
Something like that.
Scott did not run this one. So this one is between myself, Mike Iverson, and Carl.
No, just three.
Yes. So guaranteed win, dudes. You do to qualify for a prize. You do have to complete. Otherwise.
So is there a third place?
And I believe there will be. And what you get is, to complete you have to at least take one turn. Otherwise, if the robot doesn't make one turn, then you can't get a default prize. We tried, we had the gentleman
So-
many years ago.
So people.
He ran a brick
Intent
and
was to
claimed
search
a
the
third party.
magazine.
So since that time, you always have to either score or meet some goal.
Like there was a-
Okay. All right, so starting off,
That's.
Carl, you
Are
want to
we
go ahead?
finding?
I gotta do some.
Okay.
We have time, right? Except the break.
Yeah, well, well, okay. I really don't think
There's a rule in there, so you can do that.
Is it just the distance?
Hey, they've been doing
it's
this.
possible.
So how old is this DPRG?
Huh?
How old is the?
1984.
1984. So they've been doing this since 1984. So you can imagine all the creative ways people solve the problem that now there's a rule against. it.
All right. How do I do this?
Okay.
Normal Foursquare, start in right two.
Yeah.
Yeah, and, we're not gonna do.
This is time, right? Or is it time?
We're not sure.
Okay, we're gonna time it anyhow. Doug, your chair may need to move, by the way. Okay, we ready to go?
I'm designated. video.
What mode are you doing there, Carl?
This is the normal mode.
Normal mode.
This is for real.
For real, for real.
Oh, not joke.
Okay, we
Oh,
ready?
your exhibition run comes later?
Yeah. Are we ready? Okay. Mark said, go. You still go get coffee. Yeah. So these wheels tend to slip on this floor. So the best way I found to have it do things accurately is to be really slow. Which is hard for actually a lot of robots to do to go slow.
They're gonna strafe on the other,
Why?
or they're gonna turn.
It'll turn.
Oh,
It doesn't, sorry? It's just hard to make the motors go slowly, because there's a certain speed below which they cut off. And if they cut off at different speeds, then you're hosed. So, so to make it go slow requires what I have, some kind of control loop. So I measure how many ticks per revolution, and then there's some math in there that speeds up one motor. It's got 4 different loops in there, so it speeds or slows up each motor accordingly. And then it's also using the compass straight. Yeah, so that's what that ring of lights is on the top. So the blue light blue light is the front of the robot at the moment. It can change in some of its modes, and then the white light is north, what the compass thinks is north anyhow. So you'll see that when it turns right down here, the white light will keep pointing towards the northish. Except that it drifts a little bit. So,
Oh, wait a minute, did you mark your spot?
yeah, the front right wheel is right about on this corner. So it'll end up there, more or less. Within a couple inches. Yeah. Which for these wheels, the way they slide around on the floor.
So is it program?
Yeah, I have it programmed, it's using time and distance. There. So it's basically 2 inches.
You can't be telling the judge what the distance is, you gotta measure it. Come on, Carl, you know how it works.
And plus, he's gonna use permanent mark on the floor. I know it's using
He's going from the center of the tape, kind of the center of the tape.
I did it from the edge to the edge.
Yeah.
I did it from there to that corner. Yeah. Yeah. It's cheap now.
Can you make it so you can swap out the wheels for depending on
All right.
what competition you're doing?
All right, we need a ruler.
Well, you could.
Where's the ruler?
Wait
Hey,
a
when you
minute.
get that, I'm gonna just show this other mode. This isn't for timing, but this is for fun.
Here you go, Doug.
Where's
I
these?
got some stickers.
Start
I
and-
think we'll be,
We can do this.
Let me get a towel.
So in this mode, you see,
2 7/8 inches.
see how the keep pointing to the north is the white.
Who's recording that?
Front, the front. So it's taking the virtual front of the robot faces this way, but the north compass still keeps pointing about that way. You see, it'll get down to this point,
On the playground.
then it'll hit the corner, roughly, any day now.
then it'll start going straight. Yeah. Yes. So the compass, for whatever reason, when you spin in a constant circle, the IMU develops a bias in the direction of the turn. So it's thinking the north is turning around clockwise. So that's why the whole triangle is spinning. Yeah. How about that?
Yeah.
Right there.
In my case, I've got two buttons on it.
Right after you do that.
And one of the buttons does what we just did. The other button, revert that to, see if it's giving.
It does look like it's totally.
And I was gonna program that up in the course where, out of town. Now, but that doesn't, that's what we're doing. There's nothing to stop you from having one program do one thing, reload the robot.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah. Show you how hard it is to program a robot. Actually, after I got this, this basically gets you anything. Bring it easy for me. Go to that.
Yeah.
There is my file.
And that was what's a model of that track. So I have a mode, I put it in.
Because I know in the past you probably programmed things and had to do stuff.
It keeps going
all
until
the
you
time,
turn.
with the arts too.
Remember the game Asteroids?
So now,
You have this little space you can move around. Once you get it going, it keeps going until you turn it.
you got the drive, so
Thrusters on the
the
other
USB drive over there.
Yeah. So it's
Got
got
to paste the file.
start and
Yep, and it reads the new, there's a new file there. I'll suck that in, make it my current file, reset
So
myself.
we also base the motors and the driver board a lot out of China. And then some of the software that runs the motors.
You just
And
been.
I wrote basically everything else. And I added the lights on top. Whoa. And the lights in the back.
Yeah, but it's gonna be that 2, 3, probably
It was a whole reason for
Wow.
these wheels.
For 2 feet.
But they do that, so I can.
Is that it? Is that
Yeah,
it?
that's all it's gonna do.
Watch it.
So if I do start, no. There we go. So right now,
Okay. The reason why
it'll just keep going that way, so I turn it around.
There you go, I got the tape.
See,
I
when
was
I
cleaning it up a
make it
little
go
bit,
forward, I
so
pretend it's rocket thrusters.
So there's rocket
thrusters. See, and then if I go this
Had to
way,
go look at
rocket
what's
thrusters
making
that
the
way.
thing sticky.
And then I got a rocket thrusters. Rocket thrusters.
15, 7, 8.
Wait.
15 and 7, 8.
Because these wheels are ridiculously complex, but you can see how much is stored on the ground. So if the weight's not distributed just perfectly, then the weight, it's really tough to make it work.
Yeah, this floor has a bad slope to it, kind of goes.
Yeah, like right there, you can see the wheels are turning, but it's not moving. That's because the floor is uneven. It's sitting, it's resting on the two wheels that aren't moving. So it's, well, it's the real world, right? So I should change the design of the robot. So I didn't have that problem.
Ow, 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 ow.
Got the Russian insurance claim.
Yeah.
It's a strong arm when you need it.
Okay, we're gonna start third contestant.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of times people do
Most
that.
ones are great.
Or they can do that, like, I've got the,
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. So if you watch this,
Or you get back, so you may rip the top off of it. Here it comes. And you put some stuff on there, because it's got big suspension, big stuff. And,
Yeah, 0 3.
So, I do this.
So that'll break down documents for us. Really works fairly good for a child here too. But I'll tell you when you're doing like, even though it's like, he's got like the roll blade, you know,
You see that, the north is very, very consistent, the robot's still forward. So if I push it forward, it's gonna go forward.
Depends on where you're looking at. It's really like it's anything like going far outside. Not many operate, right?
For every. So, 50 times a second. So it's measuring, basically it's measuring the, it's measuring the compass that you got, it's measuring how many wheel revolutions there were.
C-130.
Past 50 milliseconds.
So doing math.
2 million names. And, the prior.
1.8?
History of the wheel speed.
Okay.
And then it's.
Alright. The best one so far.
Did you say 8?
Yeah.
2 and 1.
2 and 1. Oh, 2 and 1. I know.
That's amazing.
All right. So, what's the rank?
So far down, you're first, Carl.
It's basically.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, as far back in time as the
We have
precision of math.
we're using the same thing.
So it just.
Hey, Carl,
Oh, yeah, we
you're in
got a couple
second place, so you have 2 runs.
Oh,
string bombs.
So if you want to go for,
why not? All right, what's the button to start that? Start it right too. What's the button to drive straight? I don't know. Okay.
Yeah, he's got a whole documentation.
force abuse, -1 point.
Okay, that's just not fair.
He's always been a harsh judge.
This guy is rude. Okay, see, so I'll start exactly where it was before, roughly, more or less.
Okay.
Right?
Got it.
See?
I got it.
Well, what's, okay, so you ready?
Thanks for
Mark,
hanging
set,
out.
go.
Coffee break time.
So every Tuesday night, they used to be here. And every second Saturday, we'd show up in person. And then go. And so, and every now, and I rarely showed up every Tuesday night. And then I occasionally go on Saturday. But what we had
Just turn Tuesday night, right? And so we're all, go as fast. So there's a kind of a, no, it's called control is part.
And
If you do it well, say you're here. This angle.
Yeah,
virtual doesn't have to start.
There you are.
If you have it, so aggressive, the problem. If it's not aggressive enough. So there's work to get it to just laser. I think they just made the laser go down. Check. You just pin loops, don't you?
No, I don't.
You haven't checked?
No.
Oh, we gotta.
And it's scared to start on that.
Portion integrated. It just has to do with that. That was close. Can I move this cone because it's in the wrong place?
Because of the cone abuse?
How about if I move this little blue thing because it's in the wrong place too?
After it's solid.
You gotta figure out your turn.
It's getting pretty close. Look at that. It ran right over it. Now it'll turn and center itself. It's bigger than last time for inches. Okay.
Oh, that's egregious.
That's egregious. It's terrible. It's pitiful.
All right, go ahead, Carl, you can take the robot. And, you got another shot if you want it, Mike, but I like to let Mike go in first.
All right.
5 inches. Okay. And,
You know, much like the 3D printer, This is far.
Okay, Mike.
All right. But this is what we're using parking feet for here, but it is far more advanced as far as evolution and stuff than what we're using for the time.
Looks like there's a,
Every part on that, we want to walk somewhere pretty much. Maybe you think back to the.
Everybody's got a different mind.
Ready?
I'm thinking just.
So you go.
You can see how much quality is involved with it. There's my pill bottle, the whole deal.
Yeah.
I have plenty of duct tape, foam board. I didn't drill any holes, I just used existing ones.
Yeah, so as far as the building of the thing, you have to.
It's just assembly thing.
Yeah, and now you're doing your smart with your brain, because that's to get to do the things you want to do. And so, it's amazing how much of this, I mean, literally, a trip to, Hobby Town will get you a long way. It might be amazing to me, is a trip to Hobby Town, I'm looking for something.
It's you result.
I'm like, you guys got 27,000 of these. Yeah, but.
The women in parties are a lot of things.
Yeah.
It's that laser that does the extra bit.
Yeah. Oh,
That's,
wait, oh, I think that's
There's
closer.
a floor.
I think that's closer.
that's pretty
It
good.
is closer. It's still third point.
I don't think you can argue with that, but that's some good stuff.
That is good stuff.
Okay.
What's Scott
Which
get?
dot did you start on, Mike?
Huh?
You started on this dot, right?
Yeah, right there.
What's Scott get? What, an inch and a half or something?
Inch, 8 inches and 3/8.
So does Scott use the same platform that he does for
15.
6 as he does for this?
So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
He does?
I don't know how.
If I remember, I think, I could be wrong.
And you might ask, well, why is that important?
Yeah, I think he only brings one.
We will put this
This
in
is how he.
the DPRG Hall of Fame.
Oh,
cool.
So your records, your numbers will be there
I wonder
for
if he's,
Nice.
if he's using the
Forever.
LiDAR on
never,
his.
never.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I didn't look too close.
Yeah,
I was
what's
trying to
what
figure my
starts this
crap out. I don't-
Oh, yeah. That'd be interesting to see what he did.
Can't remember. R2.
Okay, so what you need to do is get a.
Oh, really? Which one?
It's
Good.
Walmart.
My name's as good as any can be.
Alibaba.
Okay, we ready?
All right.
I think they're at the
All right.
same
Get
equal-
set. Go.
Whoops.
Mark, set. Go. Okay, all right, ready? Yep. Mark, get set, go.
Yeah, just 14.
Set. That extra 4 seconds of swap in the start is really important.
Change every aspect.
I just used the video times.
Is that how it goes?
This one.
I'm saying almost all of it.
I've seen
No,
some,
I'm gonna run with my old.
but because we say if you like, less than a half inch
Like, for instance,
per people.
yes,
So
that's a problem I have.
you need 2 people to do it for 1 time.
Rarely a lot that ever gets a half inch.
That you have time.
Oh, yeah.
A half inch is perfect. So there's consistently guys getting in a half inch repeatedly.
Right.
Probably see.
Right.
I couldn't nudge it, you'd never know.
What
What if I nudge it?
Oh.
Well, that's what the remote is for. Oh, sorry.
Idea is,
Yeah.
wherever you
I'm fine
enter
with
it
it.
at, you have to go pick up, there'll be 6 cans of steel. You have to go pick up one at a time.
This is really cool.
Yeah. Anticipation.
Okay, well, let's go with anticipation.
We were setting up and testing out to make sure we had, you got set up.
You know, if I just did this thing with the other one, where it doesn't have these stupid wheels and it around. Yeah. That's called robot race. It's better. Might be. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
really good.
Wheel.
I can tell you because it's the width of the tape, it's 3/4 of an inch.
Dude, I demand a recount, measure it.
That's all I have. That's all I
That's the closest this one.
Wow, impressive.
It depends on which corner of the wheel you measure.
I get one more, right?
He's giving you 3/4 inch, I'd take.
I'm with the 3/4. Okay.
Oh, I get one more.
Done for the.
Hey, wait a minute.
Done?
I wanted to see his response.
No, actually, no, that is.
You
I wanna
you
make
what?
sure.
What?
Yeah.
It was.
I got one more run, right?
It was right here,
Three,
basically.
right?
It was right there. It was the half.
Okay, come on down.
I'll try. I know I'm not, this is probably fuel.
Hey, you never know.
You never know if I get like.
I'll never forget the first time I ran this, I was like a 1/4 inch. And I had no idea what I'd done. I had no, it just got,
You rolled the dice just
yeah,
right.
it just got lucky.
Here comes luck.
You don't even know that.
I'm going for luck. Luck and laser show.
Luck and laser technology.
That one's definitely better range. The
That's
other
aiming at the blue right
the other
there.
one was different off.
Nice smooth turn.
That even looked like it was 90 degrees too.
Well, it's fixing to hit that metal.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
You're gonna miss it by that much.
Just enough junk on
Look at that.
Yeah, you microed it. You microed it.
My gosh. If I lose, that's because it hit this little cone here. and messed up.
It's an overly aggressive course.
It's like those, you know, and also these robots here are not too terribly much different than the ones that are in house. They're not too terribly different. They just have a lot more.
This is Mike's third run. This
They're
is Mike's third run.
correct.
That's nice.
That's good.
Very good. I don't know if that's it. I'm probably not.
Okay, let me get my tape.
That's gotta be close, man.
No, it was 5 inch the last one, I think.
Here's that cone that did it to you.
I've got a 6-wheel rover that I'm playing with, well, it's like a dog.
6 inches.
Yeah, I think that, yeah.
Okay. All right.
That's
this
good,
girl
Mike.
has had a
done well.
very good
Better than
run.
last year.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna take, I don't really have a whole lot of hope. I'm gonna go for it.
Oh, okay.
You gonna do it again? Well, he was pretty close.
And how far do I go?
Well, I was close, but I wasn't a 1/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch.
Oh, that's what it's about. Okay, well, I'm gonna make sure he's.
Yeah, it's like 18. It's like, okay. You gotta pay rent now that you're 18.
I think it's 4 by 8.
Never gonna be their count.
Somebody has to help the judge. That's right. The judge is trying to compete.
Yeah.
Well, I think the judge does help themselves.
Oh.
Just like the mark on the side. Eight is back.
Yeah, it's kind
Nine
of.
is forward.
Smooth turn, support. Support it. It seems like a lot of companies said, you know, hard right.
Yeah, you got
I like your hard right. You like my turns?
I like
the turn. You gotta turn.
Yeah.
Be done with it. Just be done with it. Make it yeah, going forward, forward, backwards, and rotating. Yeah, we gotta watch stuff really close.
Oh my.
Should've gotten the Oh, your brother works for.
Doug, is it time to queue up for 6 Ken?
Yeah, go ahead and see who's gonna run.
All right.
3 inches.
Kareem, are you
I
running?
guess they want.
No demo?
I guess they sell more.
You're running, Mike.
So,
Well, Ray's gonna run, and I'm gonna show you what that is.
Oh, all right.
But I'll do it.
We're
I'll
gonna
expose
lose.
myself.
You're gonna run?
yeah.
So it's Ray and Mike, and that's it. That's it. Okay, it works.
Am I up?
We're getting there. Maybe we should move camera. No.
It's fine, but Ray's reticule, or his reducer is right there in the middle of
All
things.
right.
One more run?
One more run.
Oh, all right. Okay. All right. You just like to have people change the course around. All right.
Okay, now what are we doing?
We're doing one more.
Hey, Carl,
Doug gets next to run.
You need to put that controller on your robot.
Drive her out.
Oh, and you can make that move. Oh,
What's that?
there we are.
Yeah.
Over here, Carl.
Oh, thank you.
Not necessarily. There's a lot, there's an example, but there's not. And I've run into people in my life that they will never answer. Oh no, this is gonna invalidate a run somewhere, I know it is.
That's for me, he's such a bad influence. It's not my fault, Green made it.
Ray, Kareem made you do it.
Yeah, it's really rough. It's a rough
If
twist.
you don't wanna come out, and you can't, for whatever reason, I don't care, just say no where I can. Oh, I don't sweat off, no, there's no nothing.
Yeah,
I don't know why you just gotta put on, I'm gonna put on air.
yeah.
Make a big deal out of it.
Thank you.
Yeah, we went to,
One and,
it's called Earth. It's like
1 3/4.
Are we gonna second that, cause Judge is scoring his own distance, you know? Just saying.
Check him out of here.
Oh, he checks him out of his, okay.
He had over
He's
6.
been vetted.
Okay.
He wasn't gonna contest the other results, so that's all that matters.
Okay, oh, there's been a little quid pro quo going there, I got it.
Okay, so preliminary, I guess the final on that one. Carl is first,
Woohoo!
Doug is second, and Mike is third. And, the distances were 3/4 of an inch, 1 3/4, and 6 inches.
Woohoo!
All
I
right.
think the other one was shorter than that one.
Now we had,
The other one, you said,
No, that was 8.
I think it's still back.
Oh, okay, well, I'm not.
You got better and better and better.
Yeah, maybe I'll go one more time.
Okay. So who,
We got Ray and Mike coming up on 610. And Ray, does this have to be here? Can it be in another corner?
Ray,
Depends on which corner you wanna do it on.
Ray,
Doesn't matter.
Well, it's just, this one, as you can
Oh, you
see,
can't see it?
walks are remote participants.
You can't have it. So, okay, that's good.
It can't be long beyond what?
But you can't see it with
You
the
can't,
camera.
otherwise.
Or can you?
Well,
you
if we
know,
do it,
of course,
here, if we do it this way.
side is, you can have, this side, all these lines you can have a beacon. But anywhere behind here, and like this, you can't have a beacon in this.
Over there, yeah.
Okay, sorry for the jiggles there online.
Okay, do we have 610? Okay, we got 610, I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, these are.
All right, let me get the can mark.
There we go.
Is this yours now? It's the right way.
Okay, if everybody will take their cans back, I'll just use this set.
Yeah.
Make it easier.
And what could go wrong with this cable here?
Nothing at all, nothing whatsoever.
Okay, this, there you go.
Okay, that's a little more safer.
The other side.
Jay, you've never been here before, have you?
I have been here before, yes.
Well, what you see here
So you wanna film
immediately
that?
behind us,
Well,
was the
Camera's
original
fixed.
place
Okay,
of Stafford.
Oh, look at you
Locked
go.
down house. They just expanded another
Very
20,000 square feet that way. So same stuff, but now it's all expanded.
Like I said, I don't know what it's for.
And I've got a severe problem, I've got two severe problems.
Yeah, it sets up in.
One, 45 minutes from my house. 45 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like it's.
The camera can't see the,
Traffic around and all that kind of stuff, it's about
All
whatever.
right.
And two.
Still recording.
Set up.
I think it's like 60 bucks a month. And I get you 3 family members. And not that I'm associated with folks, but, and then you gotta pay for some stuff, they're gonna get checked out. They got a laser printer, laser cutter. So they 2 or 3 of them. Solid stoppers, CNC machine. It's just, there's no way that I can really be here. A lot of times. If I had a membership here, it'd be terrible. And then it takes about 3 months, 3 more months to get checked out.
Okay. Hey, Carl, can you record this onto your camera?
And then.
Yeah.
Can you make a video of the video?
And then there's lots of.
If I hang this on your camera?
What do you mean? You want me to use my iPhone or?
So, aren't you recording this meeting?
Yeah.
So that's you spend time with the house. You spend time with the Wi-Fi. Okay. 'Cause I don't know why, but the Wi-Fi is spend time. Okay.
Okay, I can get that out of the way.
Is Ray gonna go the right way this time?
He did move his fiducial. He was good for us.
It's more.
Let me just say, this is Scott. Michael did him recorded.
All right.
That's a funny way to do it.
You came here a couple of
Okay,
weeks
this is.
ago on that course.
Okay, this is Scott Gibson's run, which was done earlier. and we're just gonna do it with the air interface, air gap here. So go ahead.
That's the most secure thing, right there.
It's right there. It's air gapped. Okay, hold that thing up higher, Doug. Yeah. There you go. More higher. Okay, that's good. It's tilted, but the robot hasn't fallen off.
Well, it's tilted because if you remember the old Batman and Robin show, every time they showed an evil, villain person, it was always tilted. So this is Scott's run, so I think it's appropriate.
Where's the pow and the whammy? Where's that
I
at?
should point out that Scott is our champion.
Yeah, he's the reigning king of this stuff.
Scott keeps fine tuning this thing, and it runs like clockwork every time.
Yep.
Stop showing it. Make us look worse.
Well, there's
What's that LiDAR go for? It's like 150, 200.
Yeah.
yeah, the round this round thing on the top of his robot is a LiDAR. So it's got a laser rangefinder that spins around and gives him a 360-degree distance reading.
But he
What
doesn't,
is it, 10 or 15 hertz, right?
but he only really uses it to, at the goal post. That's where he refreshes his odometry settings
So he's going by wheel odometry most of the time.
most of the time, yeah.
So, Carl, how does your compass work? Does it feel the magnetic north?
Yeah.
Well, magnetic field of the earth.
And you see how every time he's picking up the can and taking it out, because once it's out of bounds, we don't care.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you can use that.
And if you leave the can there, it can confuse your robot. So once it's been
So
successful.
that's what a successful run looks like.
That's what we call a good run. What it doesn't show is Scott holding his RC controller off to the side, but
All right,
we have to trust his
okay.
honor on that one.
I was here and I don't remember seeing an RC controller. So
No, he hit it well.
He must have hit it well. Maybe he's doing it with hand gestures or something, or one of those power gloves.
It's a little,
Yeah, maybe yeah.
Scene remote, like they do on TV.
yeah.
From another place.
Okay, this is Ray running, what do you call this robot, Ray? He's running, here he goes.
Names that I call it, but it doesn't work.
This is supposed to be kid friendly. You can't call it those kind of names, right?
I didn't calibrate it, so, for this direction.
We threw a curveball to Ray because he had calibrated it with this green fiducial in the other corner, but that would be blocking the video camera that we have. So we asked him to move his fiducial just to make it harder for him to beat up Scott. And his tie wrap window sensor.
So I was not thinking so well. And so I,
Power supply over there. Yeah, power supply.
my favorite shirt, just a bright orange shirt.
The green cups.
Outstanding over.
So this year.
Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
Goal is a goal. Set it up and leave it there, Mike. No, just leave it there.
Wrong goal.
Maybe it'll bring it back.
Wrong way, Ray. Yeah, that's wrong way, Ray. Yeah.
He's gonna pay me too well.
He's like, either way, when we get paid, it's good.
Yeah.
Ray, could we blame this on moving the fiduciary?
Oh, there we go. Excellent. Nicely done.
It ain't me this time.
Nicely done.
I'll move over.
Not looking good.
Hey, but you got another run though.
Way to go, buddy. That was awesome. Okay.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Green. See, it uses green to tell which is the right end, right? It'll get another run. This is a perpetual problem.
It is, it really is.
It's in my ring.
This has happened before.
You know, I got it. Or was it Jack? I got it.
Let's get it. Okay, take a look around. Can we stack those?
Let's set it back in here so that way maybe that's
Yeah, that's right. Jay, been friends for a very long time. Hey, Carl Rod, amazing guy, amazing guy. Jay just figured out that
See anything?
the robots
What about that chair? What about the chair?
are now training us.
The robots are making the humans adjust their behavior.
Yeah, right in the chair on the
It started already.
Whenever you realize that, so you know it's all over.
I'm old enough, I don't care.
And you just roll with it.
That's right.
Okay, you ready?
We could hang around when we're old and the country would be like, we're the ones that started.
Yeah, now we got
It's got to get a running start.
Yep.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me restart. You got it?
That was a warm up.
Get where you want to be. Going?
This time.
There you go.
Yeah, but the thing is where it's looking though. And also you got Kareem kind of in the way.
Uh-oh.
I don't know, right? There it goes. Come on, come on. There you go. What's going, Ken?
Hey, one down.
The raised robot doesn't use a geometry, so that's why you know, that's the problem. Dude.
Yeah, but the other robot that's going to be doing this for
Okay,
sure.
this speed, Ray is time.
Like the guy in the kind of flowery pinky shirt.
Do the hokey pokey and you turn it away. So.
How he solves that particular problem is that he has a couple of ultrasonics on the sides. He's got an ultrasonic coming up. So when he runs into the bar, he sees the bar.
Ray, you're using the camera, right?
Yeah.
Which one?
Pixie one.
Pixie 1.
He was running commentary. Fixing this. That boy's smart.
And a microcomputer.
And a microcomputer, yeah.
And so what you do is, you got a whole UI and everything for training. That board on what to look for. The color of orange, the size of the can, all that kind of stuff is all contained. The board is telling the robot here, turn left, turn right, or whatever it is.
So how many processors type things do you have on this thing, Ray?
It's just a, Arduino Mega.
You got a Mega and you got the Pixie Cam, which,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
That's its own.
So you've got two different processors.
Hold on, it's still, it's trying. It missed it. Chick, chick, chick.
Oh, too far away.
It's got the coolest behaviors though.
And that's another thing with this is,
Oh, that doesn't look good.
So his behaviors are also more on the lines of,
Looks like 5 cans.
that's what the overall behavior is. You got these other behaviors that said, hey, I bumped into something, what am I supposed to do? So there's another behavior. So that's what you're coding to events that's coming in, very much like you would code to like a Windows event, somebody clicked something down, somebody opened up something, somebody dropped something on, that sort of thing, but the events that are coming out of this thing are different. You got a button click or a mouse click or whatever, but still, there's still events and you're looking at different mechanisms doing what it is. In this case, we call it behaviors, because depending on what the event is, it may kick it off in a whole other subtree of code before it actually becomes active.
Okay.
Hey, I'm stuck. How do I get unstuck? Well, I got 27,000 ways to get unstuck. Let's try. And until all of those fail, it's going to sit there and try. Until some other event that overrides that event. When I'm getting crushed, my battery's dying or something like that. It's a priority.
Ready? Ready?
Go for it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no.
I thought about a green square being over there. That's what it was. I thought about it being over there.
It seems to be in the monitor.
Oh, that could be.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. And it should.
So how far can this?
Well, I don't know. Let's go see here. Me and John can, I can block the monitors. Block the monitors.
Oh, man.
Oh, you don't have to roll?
Turn all of them off.
We put the one.
Well, I don't know. No, you're okay. You're okay. No, it made the screen do something funky, but it's okay.
Oh, well, okay, we'll plug it back in for it. Safe mode.
Well, that. Even more green.
It's like, I hate to tell you, it's just, it's against him no matter what.
You just try and change one thing and what happens? Okay, I think
Green or my shirt.
Since we made Ray move his fiducial, I think we should give you one run with the fiducial in the original place. How's that? Yeah. I would vote for that.
Ray's not too hopeful about that, I'm hearing over here.
Well, let's see if you can pick up all six this time.
With the monitors off.
Well, but that it's still got green the trees. Let's get- John is taking the space apart.
We can turn off the thing. That's how we can turn it off, so. I'm not trying to plug this monitor though, you're right.
Yeah, it's,
God, if he had it over here, that would just help it, if anything. That would not help it.
Ray, do you have bump sensors on this thing?
Yeah, in front.
Okay. 2 bump sensors and really good green sensor.
You know, it's probably green somewhere behind this wall.
It's- yeah.
There
It's-
is actually, if you look just now, the monitor itself is showing. Sure, it's reflecting green over there.
The black monitor is reflecting green. Okay, should we pitch in and get Ray a different fiducial detector? This, of course, is a guy who has never been able to do this one. So. You can wear an orange cone in the corner if you want. What is a virtual competition?
The spirit of the piano.
There we go. Nailed it. So he'll be the first robot to score 7 in the 6-can competition.
Dang it, he found the
He found the invisible can.
You know, we got that Pac-Man thing in Spring 256, you gotta do the same thing. That was really geeky.
Pac-Man's 256. I was thinking of sprites.
What the deal is, Pac-Man is a number of strings.
Okay.
Well, you get to string 256 because it's an 8-bit thing, you only go to 255,
55, right. 7 cans. 6 in a
What
virtual.
happens is the screen on Pac-Man splits in half.
Yeah.
One of it looks just like a normal other. It's like you have to remember where the things is because you can't see it on the screen, and you have to eat all the dots there to get the high score. Which was, if you read Ready Player One, the book, Percival actually goes and does that. In the movie, not so much. But
I never heard that.
much like in Donkey Kong, they have a 256 screen level too. Imagine that's an 8-bit game, right? That's the kill screen. So once you get to level that 256 screen, you just die. There's nothing you can do but die till you're out of it. So that's why they give the. There's a documentary out there called King of Kong, A Fistful of Dollars. It came out, 10, 12 years ago, something like that. And that's why they make the biggest deal out of that, about the high score. And there's a whole big, you need, if you're interested at all, just go King of Kong, Fistful of Dollars. And it's a good documentary. And you'll probably learn to hate Billy Mitchell like everybody else does on the planet.
To be clear, online, so what happened was we had this fiducial that Ray was using originally in this corner. He was all set up to run this way, but then we asked him to move it to the other corner, and that's when the environment changed. So his robot didn't behave like it was supposed to. Hey, Mike, could you step to the right or left? Thanks. Yeah, that's good. So now,
Oh, I'm gonna see that one.
there we go. Two more.
Yeah.
And that servo on the top, is that the LiDAR?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a Benawaki.
Benawaki time of flight sensor. One more. It's like the moonwalk. Where'd it go? Nasty human took away from me. It likes the green.
Boy. Here, boy.
Oh, fetch. There we go. Hey.
So doesn't he get credit for the last virtual one with the one that's up there?
Yeah, you kinda,
Just-
yeah.
Yeah, then they all set.
Extra motive for now. Scott, number one. Ray.
Oh, no.
Second place, right.
So another year of Scott, Colin, Ray, number two.
That's all right, Ray. I come in the second Scott too, so we can join our coming
We're
second
not-
Scott.
Yeah,
club.
yeah.
Now Mike's up.
Okay, Mike's up.
I guess he did it before, like 2 days ago.
His grandmother was having a 30th birthday.
So Mike's is a little different.
So
He has wheels like Carl's. We'll see that. Let's see how his is. Once he gets started, he doesn't turn around. He just backs up.
He did say that he smoked 2 motors, so we thought maybe he was just using Mother's Day as an excuse. I guess he did come in and do a run.
Doug, could you back up a little bit?
No. It's all. Number 7, drive all you want.
Okay, go ahead. It's still coming back. Okay, the thing. Dragging on the ground. Probably.
Tail.
That's extra. That's extra parts. You know what? I didn't go by secret parts on the last lot.
I make the diameter that big, though. Okay.
Let me actually see you pick it up.
So it's only using ultrasonic, and the last my last mod made them slower, but not better.
It's even using ultrasonic to find the cans, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they have to be pretty close. So I had to go at the location. I think it's all that one. You're gonna try a camera next time? Oh, yeah, it's not besides ultrasonic. It worked a lot better a month ago. Well, all of our robots work better. This style of robot is like hand.
I think what it's doing is got ultrasonics on the front. So it's throwing out the telephone, so it's putting out a ping and registering how fast things come back. It's measuring.
Do you have an IMU on here as well?
It would have picked up a
Yeah.
hand by now.
Yeah. Not moving it up right now, but.
You see how the things turn.
I might not be there one hand. I can have one. Did that one out.
It was doing well in practice last weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, this is kind of sad because I was watching him during first practice.
Yeah.
He was standing.
Well, if you have another commit, can you just roll it back?
I think it's mechanics.
Oh,
Hardware.
that's harder to roll back.
Yeah. Okay, so it's a good try.
That's still cool.
Yeah. But you can do a straight line.
That's how it starts.
And then hardware change. Like right now, I'm having wheel problems.
They're just too complicated, those wheels. Yeah, those wheels are just so many parts in them and they collect dust. Let's say they're cool when they work. And maybe they're good for conveyor belts, right? Because you can move boxes this way, or you get to the one point you can shuffle them off to the side. So that's where you'll find. Oh yeah,
What happened to that blower?
you'll find them in factories for things like that. They'll mount the wheels like fixed, and then they'll slide the stuff around on top of it, and that's so they can shuffle big things around in arbitrary.
I didn't have enough time.
It's one way of doing it.
And they had the same camera, processor, motor driver.
Okay.
I'll develop everything on one ride. It's not easy to carry upstairs. To take it. But didn't finish that. But it actually does still look at
So this means, I don't have to worry about the fall.
Yeah.
Okay. So that concludes our competition then for the day.
Yeah.
And so for prize winners, we'll just be in touch with Doug.
I'll tell you what's gonna happen. So if you came in first, second, or third, you'll get an email which will give you an amount of money that you can spend at any of the major robot part places.
Awesome.
And you'll get a small allowance for postage. So like the first person in first place is probably gonna be $40 with $10 shipping. So total $50. second will probably be 40. How many 40? So second probably be 30, and third probably 20. I'll look at it, you know, comes out of our funds, so I have to be careful about it. All right, it was a good one.
Thank you all for coming.
Everybody say bye.
No, I'm not doing it. Not quite there.
That thing's got scary.
It is, he's part of the.
He's a mentor for high school.
Oh, sure. Thank you for taking all the score. That's a pain, but much appreciated.
And what happens is these high schools get together and they build these robots.
Just got